Hi, my name is Alexander Chappelle. I'm an industrial designer, maker, and YouTuber. My projects are usually a mix of techniques such as woodworking, metalworking, and 3D printing. I made things such as a huge camera arm, lots of 3D printed boxes, and many other projects. 3D printing is often thought of as not being very functional, but I'm here to show you that it can be useful for so many things. The trick is to break down the design of the object into its single components, so that we can combine 3D printed elements with more traditional materials to create both stylish and functional objects. Whether it's out of necessity or following inspiration, I have an urge to take my ideas, turn them into something concrete, and then share them with the world. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to use and combine techniques such as 3D modeling, 3D printing, and some simple woodworking to turn your idea into a finished product. As your final project, you'll make a modular shelving system for your home. We'll learn what 3D printing is and the different ways to get 3D models. I'll show you how to turn your inspirations into sketches, how to test proportions using mock-ups, and how to create a final design with measurements. We'll learn the basics of 3D modeling using Fusion 360. We'll design the different parts of our project, and we'll take into account the interaction between the different materials. Once we've made our 3D model, I'll show you how to use a slicer to send our parts to the 3D printer. We'll make sure that everything fits properly, and then we'll print the pieces for our final project. Finally, we'll cut our wooden parts to size, sand them, and apply a protective coat of oil. Then we'll assemble all the components. By the end of this course, you'll have a basic understanding of 3D modeling, 3D printing, and some woodworking. To follow my lessons, all you need is access to a 3D printer, some basic woodworking tools, and a computer. Mix craft and technology and create your own customized pieces of furniture for your home.